Have you ever felt like 24 hours in a day just aren't enough? No matter how hard you try, your to-do list keeps growing, and your deadlines are breathing down your neck. You start the day with high energy, but by the afternoon, you feel overwhelmed, distracted, and like time is slipping through your fingers. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, everyone gets the same 24 hours, but the most successful people use them differently. What separates high achievers from the rest is not more hours in a day. It's better time management. The ability to master your schedule, eliminate distractions, and focus on what truly matters is what leads to massive success. In this video, we're breaking down powerful, science-backed time management techniques used by billionaires, top executives, and peak performers so you can take control of your schedule, get more done in less time, and create a stress-free work-life balance. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share the #1 technique that can revolutionize your productivity overnight. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more game-changing strategies to help you succeed. Now let's jump right in. 1. The Eisenhower Matrix. Prioritize like a president. Ever feel like you're busy all day, but not actually productive? You answer endless emails, attend back-to-back meetings, and work long hours. But by the end of the day, you don't feel like you accomplished anything meaningful. That's because not all tasks are created equal. President Dwight D. Eisenhower, one of history's most efficient leaders, developed a system to separate urgent tasks from important ones. It's called the Eisenhower Matrix, and it helps you prioritize like a pro. Here's how it works. Urgent, important, do it now. These tasks require immediate attention, like handling a crisis or meeting a deadline. Complete them first. Important, but not urgent, schedule it. These are high-value tasks like strategic planning, skill development, and long-term projects. Schedule them into your calendar. Urgent but not important, delegate it. Tasks like responding to non-essential emails, scheduling meetings, or handling minor requests. Delegate these whenever possible. Neither urgent nor important, eliminate it. Mindless scrolling on social media, excessive TV watching, or unproductive gossip. Eliminate these time wasters. By following this system, you shift your focus to tasks that truly move the needle toward your goals. 2. The Pomodoro technique. Work in focused bursts. The secret to beating procrastination isn't working longer hours, it's working smarter. Our brains struggle to focus for long periods, which leads to mental fatigue and reduced efficiency. That's where the Pomodoro technique comes in. Developed by Francesco Cirillo, this method involves breaking your work into focused 25-minute sessions, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. Why does this work? Because short, focused sprints prevent burnout, improve concentration, and make work feel more manageable. Try this method today, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish. 3. Time blocking. Control your schedule before it controls you. Have you ever started the day intending to work on an important project, but by the end of the day, you've spent hours on emails, meetings, and minor tasks? This happens when you let other people dictate your schedule. Instead, take control of your time with time blocking. Here's how. Break your day into blocks of time dedicated to specific activities, deep work, meetings, creative projects, and even breaks. Set clear boundaries. If you're writing a report from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., no emails, no phone calls, just deep, uninterrupted work. Use calendar apps like Google Calendar to schedule your time blocks and stick to them religiously. 4. The 80-20 rule. Focus on high-impact tasks. The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, states that 80% of your results come from just 20% of your efforts. The key to productivity isn't doing more, it's doing the right things. Identify the 20% of tasks that generate 80% of your success. Focus your energy on those and eliminate or delegate the rest. This is why successful people don't fill their day with low-value activities. They prioritize what drives real progress. 5. The 2-minute rule. Stop procrastinating instantly. One of the biggest time management killers is procrastination. We put off small tasks, thinking they're not urgent, but they pile up and consume mental energy. The 2-minute rule, developed by productivity expert David Allen, states that if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Instead of adding it to a to-do list, just get it done. Whether it's responding to a quick email, organizing your desk, or making a short phone call, eliminating small tasks right away keeps your workflow smooth. 6. Plan tomorrow. Today, the night before rule. Want to wake up stress-free and ready to dominate the day? Spend just 5 to 10 minutes every night planning tomorrow's top 3 priorities. This eliminates morning confusion, keeps you focused, and ensures you start your day with clarity. 7. Batching similar tasks, reduce mental load. Every time you switch between different types of tasks, your brain has to adjust, which leads to mental fatigue and inefficiency. Instead of jumping between different activities, try task batching. How does it work? Group similar tasks together. For example, respond to all emails at once instead of checking them throughout the day. Set aside specific time slots for different categories of work: meetings, deep work, administrative tasks, and creative projects. Minimize context switching by focusing on one type of task at a time. This method saves time, keeps you in a productive flow, and helps you maintain peak mental performance. 8. The Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time available. Ever notice that if you give yourself a week to complete a task, it takes a week, but if you have only a day, somehow you still get it done? That's Parkinson's Law in action. To use this principle to your advantage, set tighter deadlines for tasks. If you think something will take 4 hours, challenge yourself to do it in 2. Use artificial constraints. Give yourself 45 minutes to draft a report instead of an open-ended time frame. Break big projects into smaller, time-bound tasks. By limiting the time available, you force yourself to focus, eliminate fluff, and complete tasks faster. 9. Say no more often. Guard your time fiercely. Time is your most valuable asset, and saying yes to the wrong things means saying no to what truly matters. To protect your time, be selective with commitments. Ask yourself, does this align with my goals? If not, politely decline. Set boundaries. Block time for deep work and don't allow unnecessary interruptions. Use a polite no script. For example, I'd love to help, but I have other priorities right now. Successful people aren't afraid to say no because they understand that every yes comes at a cost. 10. The Ivy Lee Method, the simple yet powerful daily plan. Used by top executives for over a century, the Ivy Lee Method is one of the simplest yet most effective time management techniques. Here's how it works. At the end of each day, write down the 6 most important tasks for tomorrow. Rank them in order of priority. The next day, start with task number 1 and work your way down. Any unfinished tasks move to the next day's list. Repeat daily. This method forces you to focus on what's truly important, eliminates decision fatigue, and ensures steady progress toward your goals. Now that you have these powerful time management techniques, it's time to take action. Don't just watch. Apply one technique today and watch your productivity transform. Which strategy resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing strategies to help you level up your success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.